Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis happens in two processes, transcription and translation. We will learn that DNA is the recipe for RNA, and RNA is the recipe for proteins, and proteins are what make up your body. So in our body, there are millions of cells, and all eukaryotic cells have a nucleus, and in the nucleus, there's a substance called DNA. What is DNA? It stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is a substance that carries all genetic information in the cells of plants and animals. It's basically just a long molecule in the shape of a double helix that contains all of your genetic information. To understand DNA, let's pretend that we unwind the double helix, and it kind of looks like a ladder now. The sides of the ladder, represented in red and blue, are the sugar phosphate backbone. The rungs of the ladder, the green and yellow, in blue and pink, are the nitrogen bases. There are 4 types of nitrogen bases in a DNA molecule: adenine, which pairs with thymine, and guanine, which pairs with cytosine. The order that these bases are in is what define your traits. You have to remember, adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. And some mnemonics for this are at the guys club or at CoverGirl. To make RNA, first the DNA is split apart. Now the new nitrogen bases fill in just like on DNA, except on RNA, the A pairs with a new nitrogen base called uracil. This process of making the RNA strand is called transcription. This RNA molecule is called mRNA, or messenger RNA. Once transcription is completed, the mRNA travels from the nucleus to a new organelle in the cell called the ribosome. The ribosome is basically the protein factory of a cell, and it's made of rRNA, or ribosomal RNA. Once in the ribosome, a new type of RNA called tRNA carries an amino acid, and it reads the mRNA 3 bases at a time. These 3 bases are called codons on the mRNA, and on the tRNA, they are called anticodons. Once the codon is read, the amino acid detaches from the tRNA, and a new tRNA comes in. As this process continues, a polypeptide chain starts to form. This process is called translation. At a certain point, a stop codon is reached. This tells the polypeptide chain that it is finished, and a protein is made. And that is how proteins are made. And that is how your body is built.